The fast and the strong. This is Pipkin. Pipkin is a small squirrel. He is very, very fast. Pipkin runs zoom and jumps up. This is Barnaby. Barnaby is a big brown bear. He is very, very strong. Barnaby can lift a big log easily. Pipkin and Barnaby are friends. They want to build a house. A nice new house for Winnie the wise owl. "I will do it fast," said Pipkin. He took a tiny nail. He ran, run, and hit the wood. The nail fell down. "No, I am strong," said Barnaby. He took a big piece of wood. He tried to lift it up, and hold it alone. The wood fell crash. Pipkin and Barnaby stopped. They felt sad. "Building is hard," said Barnaby. "Too hard and too fast," said Pipkin. Winnie the owl flew down. "Hoo-hoo," she said softly. "Look, you are fast and you are strong, but you are not a team." "A team works together," said Winnie. "Try slow, try help. Pipkin can hold the little nails, Barnaby can hold the big wood." They started again. Barnaby held the big wood steady. Pipkin held the little nails steady. They worked together. It was easy. The house was finished. It was beautiful and strong. Pipkin and Barnaby were happy friends. "We are a good team," they cheered. Winnie flew to her new home and hooted, "Thank you, team." Working together is the best way.